The original taillights, Primo dynamic taillights.
I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a very exciting package from Primo Dynamics. Now this, I've never really talked about it on YouTube. Really didn't even talk about it on Instagram. It was a kind of surprise for you guys. We have new taillights. Oh yeah. I'm very excited about this because it's my first time really doing custom taillights. Not only that, I have this as well. Uh-oh. MBRP performance exhaust. Now what could this be? Well, we'll find out in a minute. All right, so here we have a downpipe. Now this, I'm very excited for the downpipe because it was something that I wanted to do on my original LLY, but I never got to it. I never got to it and I just sold it. This would get rid of that Duramax scream. It's that when you step on the floor, you guys hear that like sound. I don't even know if that sounded like it, but the reason for the Duramax is making that sound is that restrictive airflow caused by the downpipe. Now, getting rid of the downpipe, getting rid of the factory downpipe and replacing it with a 3-inch MBRP would give me more of a rumble and a better growl, I should say. So it should sound a lot more aggressive and have a better tone. Although I myself do like the Duramax scream that really isn't a good for performance wise, but I thought Duramax screams always sounded kind of cool. If you notice, my LLY is in the garage because, well, it's just been raining every single day in Georgia, and this truck hasn't been washed in a month because it's been raining every other month. So it is just absolutely filthy. So I need to go ahead and wash it tomorrow because it's supposed to be nice. But the LLY is in the garage because I had to remove the tow mirrors once again because I'm gonna have to repaint them, and I'll show you guys why. Once I put the mirrors on, look at that. Can you guys see the difference in shade? It's weird because I painted the cap first, this cap, and I took it to the truck and put it next to it, and it looked really close. But once I painted the whole mirror and then put it on the truck, it was just two different shades. And when I saw it in good lighting, you could clearly tell that red did not match the truck red. So what I did was first, I went and got the actual paint coat of my truck. It's the GM's Victory Red. And this is what I should have done in the first place, but you live and learn. And now I went to Advanced Auto Parts. They do sell duplicolor factory matched paint, and I went and bought the Victory Red duplicolor paint. Now it should match pretty good. I have some bad news to tell you guys. Oh, it's actually bad news for me. As you guys can see, that my hood is very close to this little cabinet. Well, yesterday I was trying to pop the hood open and I did not even realize how close it was to the cabinet. I just wasn't paying any attention. So I chipped the paint right there. Yeah, that sucks. That really hurts. Now I'm gonna have to like touch that up. Hopefully make it look good because that hood was repainted and it was brand new paint. And now I chipped it, so. But let's go ahead and unbox this package from Primo Dynamics. Huge shout out to Primo Dynamics for working with me on this taillight. So make sure to give them a follow. As you can tell, I'm using my Drop Star Forged wheels as the table. I think I've narrowed it down. I think I've narrowed down my lift to either zone or BDS. I'm thinking zone 6-inch and turn it down to about 5.5, or I might go with the BDS 4.5. So we'll see. But here it is, the moment of truth, the custom taillights by Primo Dynamics. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Would you just look at that?
Oh, would you look at that?
And it matches the truck pretty good. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put them on. And the cool thing about these, I don't think they have resistors so I won't have any issues. I think these are the C-shaped ones. Yep, these are the C-shaped ones. And like I was telling you guys in the video where I got my tail lights, I don't remember ever getting tail lights with resistors like I did with these. So all right, let's go ahead and put them on. So this is what my tail lights look like now, and then we'll go ahead and put the color matched ones from Primo Dynamics.
What's up?
Alright, so for those of you guys who are kind of curious about the quality of Primo Dynamics taillights, these are relatively simple to do, but I like how the outsides color match too. But yeah, looks good. Paint looks good. A little bit of overspray, but honestly, like, who cares about that right there? But yeah, looks pretty good. Taillights are relatively easier to do. The headlights are what you need to worry about, because sealing the headlights back up is the hardest part. Making that look good is the hardest part. One thing that I'm a little confused about is this little plug. Didn't have any resistors in the box, and it won't work with my older resistors, so I don't know if it goes anywhere. And when I had this style taillights on my OG Duramax, I don't remember having a resistors, so that's a little confusing. And I did just test this out, and I didn't have hyper flash or anything, and they all work as it should. Of course, I didn't put the truck in drive, so I don't know if that would change anything, but we'll just go ahead and assemble it. All right, let's go look. There you go, the OG, the original taillights. Primo Dynamic taillights. Let me go ahead and turn the lights off. All right, it is the next day. Oh my God, look at that. They look amazing. I lost daylight, so I stopped filming because I wanted to show you guys these in the daylight. And like I was saying before, that is the struggles of trying to do YouTube part-time, working 8 to 5:30. By the time I get home, I only have like 15 minutes to film, so it's very hard. So weekends are my only time that I can really get use the full day to film stuff for you guys. But these turned out amazing. Huge shout out to Primo Dynamic. This is absolutely killer. Like, this is how a color match should look, and not like my mirrors. This is the exact same paint color. Like, it matches so perfectly, and they did a great job. And one thing I do want to say is, if you're in the market of getting taillights, buy these instead of these. So what I mean by that is the LEDs that have the taillights that have the white little LED strip like that. In my personal experience, these are a lot better, and I think they're a little cheaper too. One, these require resistors, and with these, I don't think they do, because I don't think I used it on my first truck. I didn't have to use it on this truck. As far as I'm concerned, I don't think I had to use resistors for these. Also, the fitment on these are way better than those. What I mean by that is you have to put like screws in here to actually hold the taillight in place. These, the screws would not fit very well, and you really had to like force it in there. And honestly, I like this design way better than that one. Like I said, when I first got these taillights, I didn't like this design at all, like having this white little LED showing. And my boy Primo Dynamics hooked me up with, not only, I was gonna get black taillights in this style, but not only did they hook me up with the taillights that I wanted, they hooked me up with color match taillights, which I have never had and I've never even thought about doing. So these look amazing, and they turned out killer. So huge shout out to Primo. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. These are, man, this truck is really like coming along nicely. Next thing I want to do is, I do like putting chrome handles on my trucks, just because I will have polished wheels. My tow mirrors are gonna have chrome. So I'm gonna add a little bit of contrast right here with chrome and brighten up the side profile of the truck a little bit better. But yeah, after that, we're gonna really get into putting a lift kit on this truck. We're probably gonna go with, I don't know, I'm still stuck between Zone and BDS. They're essentially the same kit, and BDS, they're essentially the same kit, but BDS is like $200 more, and it does have better warranty. But it's like, do I really need that warranty? Do I really need the lifetime warranty? No questions asked, if this is just gonna be like a pavement princess and I'm not really gonna be going off-road with it. So we'll see. But what I do know is that I'm probably gonna go with the Bilstein reservoir shocks because I wanna try those out. I've heard that they ride really soft and really good reviews online, and is a company that everybody knows that's proven themselves in the past. So that's the route I think I'm gonna go with, because I mean, I don't really see that many people rocking Bilsteins. It's always people running Fox shocks. You know, everyone that has Cognito has Fox. Most of the times people, BDS, you know, is owned by Fox. So they run Fox shocks. So I want to be a little bit different. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I'm going to be working on recolor matching these tow mirrors, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.